Our planet, a vibrant sphere of life, teeming with diverse ecosystems and breathtaking landscapes, is facing an unprecedented challenge: climate change. This phenomenon is altering the very fabric of our environment. It's impacting every corner of our world, from melting ice caps to extreme weather events. Hurricanes, floods, and wildfires are becoming more frequent and severe. Understanding climate change is about safeguarding humanity's future. Scientists are working tirelessly to study climate data, while communities are embracing renewable energy projects. The time to act is now. Activists around the globe are raising their voices, and every second counts in this fight. Rising temperatures and shifting weather patterns are stark reminders of the urgent need for action. Heat waves are scorching cities, and farmers are struggling with droughts. We have a collective responsibility to protect our planet for future generations. Families, communities, and educators are coming together to make a difference. The decisions we make today will determine the fate of our planet. Policymakers, individuals, and farmers are all part of the solution. This is a defining issue of our time. People from all walks of life are uniting for a common cause, making headlines worldwide. It's a global crisis that demands a global response. International summits and cooperation between nations are crucial. The science is clear. We are the cause of this crisis. Industrial pollution and deforestation are major contributors, but we also hold the power to change the course. Climate change is driven by the increase in greenhouse gases in the Earth's atmosphere. These gases, such as carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide, are released through various human activities. These gases trap heat from the sun, much like the glass roof of a greenhouse. This process is known as the greenhouse effect, which is essential for life on Earth but is now being intensified by human actions. Human activities, such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation, have significantly increased these gases, leading to global warming. The Industrial Revolution marked the beginning of this rapid increase. The primary source is the burning of fossil fuels for energy. This includes coal, oil, and natural gas, which are used to power our homes, cars, and industries. Deforestation exacerbates the problem, as trees absorb carbon dioxide. When forests are cut down, not only is this carbon-absorbing capacity lost, but the carbon stored in trees is also released back into the atmosphere. The consequences are far-reaching, impacting every aspect of our planet's balance. Coastal erosion, droughts, and flooding are just a few examples of the severe impacts we are already witnessing. From melting glaciers to intense heat waves, the evidence of climate change is undeniable. Wildfires are becoming more frequent and severe, further contributing to the release of greenhouse gases. This warming has profound implications for our planet's climate system. Coral reefs are bleaching, weather patterns are shifting, and global temperatures continue to rise, threatening ecosystems and human societies alike. The evidence of a changing climate is all around us. Glaciers are retreating, contributing to rising sea levels. The Arctic ice cap is shrinking, affecting wildlife and global weather patterns. Coastal communities face increased erosion, flooding, and saltwater intrusion. Low-lying island nations are at risk of disappearing. Extreme weather events like hurricanes and wildfires are more frequent and intense. These events devastate communities, infrastructure, and ecosystems. Changes in precipitation patterns lead to food shortages and water scarcity. The human and financial costs of these disasters are staggering. The impacts of climate change ripple through every facet of human society and the natural world. Agriculture faces challenges as changing temperatures and extreme weather disrupt growing seasons. Human health is at risk, with rising temperatures exacerbating illnesses. The spread of vector-borne diseases is influenced by changing climate patterns. Biodiversity is under immense pressure, with habitats and species at risk. The loss of biodiversity weakens ecosystems and their essential services. Extreme weather events cause billions in damage and displace communities. The costs of adapting to climate change are substantial. The economic consequences are profound. While the challenges posed by climate change are daunting, we are not powerless. There are concrete steps we can take to mitigate and adapt to its impacts. Embrace a future powered by renewable energy and sustainable practices. Transitioning to clean energy sources is paramount. Reduce reliance on fossil fuels and embrace solar, wind, and geothermal energy. Improve energy efficiency to decrease our carbon footprint. Simple actions like using energy-efficient appliances and public transportation make a difference. Sustainable land management practices can sequester carbon and promote biodiversity. Protecting existing forests is crucial. Addressing climate change requires a global effort. International cooperation is essential for ambitious emissions reduction targets. The Paris Agreement is a testament to the power of collective action. Governments must enact policies promoting clean energy and sustainable practices. Businesses have a responsibility to reduce their environmental footprint. Consumers can support businesses that prioritize sustainability. Individual actions, while small, have a collective impact. Make conscious choices to reduce our carbon footprint. Support organizations working to address climate change. The challenges posed by climate change are significant but not insurmountable. Our planet is facing unprecedented changes, and the effects are visible everywhere. From the melting glaciers to the increasing frequency of wildfires, the signs are clear. We have the knowledge and tools to create a sustainable future. Scientists and innovators are tirelessly working on renewable energy solutions. Wind turbines and solar panels are becoming more common, showing that change is possible. Embrace the urgency of this moment to build a better world. Activists are raising their voices, communities are coming together, and individuals are taking action. Every effort counts. Imagine a future powered by renewable energy and sustainable practices. Wind farms, solar farms, and hydroelectric dams are just the beginning. These technologies can lead us to a cleaner, greener future. This is a future within our grasp if we act decisively. Community projects and individual actions like installing solar panels and using electric vehicles are steps towards a sustainable lifestyle. The fight against climate change is for our planet and future generations. We owe it to our children to leave them a world where they can thrive with clean parks, clear waters, and a stable environment. Clean air, water, and a stable climate should be fundamental rights. These are not luxuries but necessities for a healthy life. Everyone deserves access to these basic needs. Move forward with hope, determination, and purpose. Together, we can make a difference. Every small action contributes to a larger impact. The time for action is now. The future is in our hands. We must act swiftly and collectively to ensure a livable planet for all.